what would you tell a first-time home buyer? What would be the first step when hiring an agent? Like, what would you do?
Yeah, I mean, a great first step is getting pre-approved with Refine Lending.
Perfect. Yes. Yeah.
Because that's really your basis as to, is this something I can do right now? Do I have the funds that are necessary to compete in this market? You want to hone in on the finances before you start, looking at homes in person versus just online. I would say getting pre-approved along with sitting down and having an actual conversation with a real estate agent who is going to explain not only the process of buying a home to you, but again, the things that, I or we as real estate agents can do to help you succeed in this market. Are there agents out there that, open a door, write a contract and cross their fingers and wish you the best of luck? Absolutely. But there are certainly agents out there that work their butt off 24/7 in terms of, all day communication, strategizing, negotiating on your behalf, like the agents that do not give up until you win. And it's important to align yourself with somebody like that, in any market, but in particularly this one where we're battling high interest rates and low inventory.
No, those are great factors. I mean, to hire an agent. I mean, no, I really appreciate that shown on the lending side, because the loan officer of the future and at present, obviously should be doing this now, is understanding, is compensation. And a lot of times the seller pays for, the buyer agent compensation. It's cooperative compensation. And even today, it does appear and sometimes it doesn't, but it's more normal that it's in the market. But in the future, that might change to where the discussion of the higher approach is very strong, right? And it's not yet determined, but I think we have to prepare our clients as if it could. And as lenders, we have to look at, where's the earnest money coming from? Are they covering their own closing costs, their down payment, and then potentially even the buyer real estate commissions? So it's really important that we do our jobs better, set the example. And this market is uber competitive. I mean, it has been for many years on both sides, real estate as well as on the lending side. But it's more than just what's your rate, what's your fees. It's who do you know? How do you proceed? And like the pre-approval has to be solid for that seller to review the terms with their agent and move forward.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's really, really important. So
I certainly don't disagree with you there. I've had buyers in shoes where, they thought they were pre-approved and and all of a sudden, things are flipped upside down and we're trying to scramble to get it done. So, working with a reputable local lender who communicates 24/7 is crucial. So